Alright, let's do the fractions of multiplications. Fractions of multiplication. So fractions of multiplication, let's say 2/3 times 6 12. So fractions of multiplications, when it's fractions, you could multiply numerator times the numerator and denominator times the denominator, but that will take longer. I'd like to do always shortcut. So when it's fraction, what is the opposite of fraction? Division. So in this case, you could cross divide. 2 goes to 2 one time, 2 goes to 12 6 times. Now you could cross divide also here. 3 goes to 3 one time, 3 goes to 6 2 times. In this case, which is you could carry it numerator times the numerator, 1 times 2, which is 2, 1 times 6, which is 6, is still is divisible, both of them, since is 2 goes to one numerator and the denominator, you could divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and 2 goes to 6 3 times. So 1 times 1, which is 1, 1 times 3, which is 3. Another way, the shortcut, in order for you to explain, I have to actually do this part, the next step, but I couldn't just divide over here, which is 2 goes to 2 one time, 2 goes to 6 3 times. The same solution. So answer is 1/3. Now let's do another examples of fractions. Let's say 5/6 times 18/25. So in this case, I could cross divide also. 5 goes to 5 one time, 5 goes to 25 5 times, and 6 goes to 6 one time, 6 goes to 18 3 times. Now I could multiply the numerator by numerator, which is 1 times 3, which is 3. Denominator times the denominator, which is 1 times 5 is 5. Can I reduce it? No. In this case, which is called proper fraction. When is proper fraction? When the numerator is less than the denominator, is called proper fractions. So these are all proper fractions. Now, one more example. I'll go over with the fraction of multiplications. Let's say 7 9 times 27 over 14. So in this case, can I cross divide? Yes, of course. 7 goes to 7 one time, 7 goes to 14 2 times, 9 goes to 9 one time, 9 goes to 27, 3 times. Okay? So now numerator times numerator, which is what? 3, and denominator times the denominator, which is called 2. So in this case, what is this called? If this is a proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator, which is called proper fraction. And this is called improper fractions. Okay? So if it's an improper fraction, you could change this into mix, which is top in the box. You could divide. 3 goes to 2 how many times? 1 time. 3 take away 2, which is 1. And you don't have a denominator, now the remainder, which is 1. So the solution in this case, which is 1, the remainder, which is 1, and the divisible, which is 2. So what is the solution? 1, the solution, remainder, which is 1, and divisible, which is 2. So 1 and 1 and half. Okay. Cut.